In the bustling town of Milwaukee, a clever man named Christopher Sholes lived. Born on a cold February 14, 1819, Christopher had always been fascinated by machines and gadgets. He loved to tinker and invent things, dreaming of creating something that would make everyone's life easier. One sunny afternoon in 1868, while fiddling in his workshop filled with gears, springs, and metal bars, Christopher had an enchanting idea. He decided to invent a machine that could help people write faster and clearer, a typewriter. With a spark in his eye, he got to work. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Christopher meticulously arranged metal type bars and shiny keys, testing all sorts of layouts. However, he quickly faced a troublesome problem. Whenever he pressed certain keys too quickly, the type bars would jam together in a maddening mess. Frustrated but not defeated, Christopher took a break and went for a walk by the peaceful Milwaukee River. As he skipped stones on the water, inspiration struck. If he arranged the letters in a certain way, the type bars might not jam. Excitedly, he rushed back to his workshop. He decided to place the most commonly used letters far apart from each other on the keyboard. Christopher called this clever setup the QWERTY layout, named after the first 6 letters on the top row of keys. With bated breath, he tested his new design. To his delight, the type bars moved smoothly, never bumping into each other. Shouts of joy filled his workshop as he twirled around with his loyal dog, Rusty. Christopher's invention, with its magical QWERTY keys, quickly became the talk of the town. Everyone wanted a typewriter to help with their writing. Soon, his typewriter was used not only in Milwaukee, but all around the world. People marveled at how quickly they could write letters and documents. Christopher's typewriter even laid the groundwork for the keyboards we use on our computers and smartphones today. And so, clever Christopher Sholes, with his inventive spirit and magical QWERTY keys, changed the way people wrote forever, leaving a legacy of creativity and ingenuity for generations to come.